How's it going, everyone? This is Ramon with Tech Did This. I have an interesting unboxing today. Well, it's just an unboxing, but a little story behind it. My sister is an Android user, and she just was riding off of the Motorola Razr Plus. Super cool phone. It's a flip phone, but she was complaining about it, so she came to visit me this weekend, and I encouraged her to try an iPhone. So she did. I had a broken 14 Pro hanging around, and she tried it for about a day. She liked the software, so we ended up picking up an iPhone 15 Pro Max for her. So super cool. I think with this, I'm kind of interested in trying like some sort of simple series or just another short video around somebody that moves from Android to iPhone. I'm sure there's many videos out there, but I told my sister to just keep track of these little nuances. So she's trying to learn like navigation, for example. She had a ton of questions for me, and of course, me being her brother, she knows she could easily reach out and get some short tips and tricks from me. But yeah, let's go. All right, here it is. So she liked the natural titanium color. That's what we got. Let's open this up. I'm actually really excited for what I said earlier about potentially doing some Android to iPhone little short videos. So we'll see. There it is. We'll just power this on. So if you guys have any comments or feedback or questions or interested in what I said about potentially doing some short Android to iPhone, I don't know if you have maybe parents, family, friends, they struggle. So I'm sure there's some short good videos that could be made with showing those differences of like navigation, notification management, things like that. All right, thanks so much for joining me on this short unboxing of the 15 Pro Max. If you've seen some of my other videos, you might have heard or seen me say that I have the 15 Pro. I'm actually jealous of my sister getting the Pro Max because I wanted to try it, but I typically like smaller phones. But I may probably get it just because now I'm kind of jelly. But anyways, so like I mentioned earlier too, that if you have any suggestions, feedback, and a video of something around Android to iPhone users, comparisons like navigation, settings, and things like that, would love to do a video like that. I'd like to do small series around tips and tricks will save you clicks. So I think this will apply super perfect for that category. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Ramon with Tech Did This.